absolutely recommend this course to other people in the future. It's been open, friendly, really simple and well structured. Leon's got a really open training style.
And the advice he's given me in my business has helped me massively.
He keeps you on point, he doesn't tell you what you want to hear. Yes, he puts you in your own comfort zone, but that's the zone that you need to be in order to achieve.
I would absolutely recommend Leon, and people really need to get on and get in touch because it will make a difference. Fact.
If you have a goal, if you have a belief, if you have a vision or a purpose and you want to fulfill that purpose, you want to go to the next level with somebody who can guide you, somebody who understands where you can tweak things and improve things to make the difference so that you can be the difference, then I'd love to invite you to the next workshop. So please come along. It's Leon Street, the lead generation coach. I look forward to serving you soon and helping your business to go to the next level.